Calling all elevator enthusiasts, we're gonna go down the service elevator at the old Horne's building. My little cousin is in this, so expect her to ask me 1R. Now I'm going.
Where's the 10 and under?
Alright, now I'm going. Anyways, this is the service elevator.
10 and under.
The old Horne's building in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
So we're leaving you.
We're going down.
Just chicken scratch.
Going down. Go to 1 and 1R.
1R?
Oop, going down.
Just made it.
Yep.
I like watching the doors open, both doors open at the same time.
Mom,
It's your basic service elevator.
there's this thing called brat stalls in...
Oh yeah, from 100 years
Oh
ago.
my god.
This is a Schindler with 17 fixtures.
Well, she just
ADA compliant phone right there.
Someone made the doll and then she copied
Good, none of that.
it.
4,500 pound capacity.
We ate roll burgers and my coat still smells like onions.
That was last week, wasn't it?
There's the basement.
Good, man. They got some onions.
This, I went here, I attend class here. Mez lobby. Warning, the rear's about to open.
We only need the front now.
Thanks for watching, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like the video. Also, my little cousin attends classes here along with me.